Yeah, so I got Chubb's contact number yesterday. Yeah. To ask him about like apartments and stuff, you know. As well as mother. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yep, yep.
A little bit too expensive. Well, I wouldn't say expensive.
Oh, you asked him
Too
how
much.
much?
Yeah, too much that I'm willing to pay for a gym whenever I got my gym, man. My gym's badass for 500 pesos.
Per month? Yeah, I know.
It's, no AC, man.
Must get hot though, huh?
That's what I like, man. I want
That's
to sweat,
right.
man. I don't want to be. Man, that's part of the workout. You're sweating, hot. I don't want to go to the gym that's got AC.
Do they give you stuff to wipe down the machines?
Yeah, they got stuff.
They got stuff.
There's some freelancers out there. They got.
Oh yeah, that's true.
They got one's craving and want some action.
Yeah, they definitely.
You know, well,
Yeah, that's
you
true.
don't seem to
Definitely.
be asking for no rubbish. They don't anyway. So
No, no.
trading or not, they're asking for it.
Yeah, I don't think they use rubber johnnies.
Nope. Hello. Who?
Is that one girl?
That's the one looking, not me.
Uh,
I'm good service.
How-
He's my friend.
So like how many pesos?
Pesos. It's only 1,000.
1,000?
Yes.
Oh.
Come on to the hotel there.
What about 500 pesos?
It's okay. It's okay for me.
Make it work, huh?
It's okay. I'm good. To the Rapids Hotel, not Sunlight, because Sunlight is dirty.
Oh, satellite is
Sunlight
dirty.
yes.
Mhm.
The Rapids is very clean.
And how much is that one?
The 300 only, the Sunlight.
And how much is the other one that you're talking about?
To there? Sunlight?
Well, they're both 300. You said.
300?
Yeah. What was the other place that you said?
300 for the hotel.
This is.
Now
this
you
is,
go to the hotel, you interview me.
This is
To
the
hotel.
interview.
Interview me.
Interview you?
Me and you interview. Yes,
Huh?
to the hotel.
Maybe next time. Yeah.
Not
maybe
now?
next time. No, not now.
Okay,
Yeah.
you buy me na lang foods.
No.
100 pesos.
I don't have any.
I'm hungry. Kuya!
Some foods.
Granny checking up on me. Granny calling me.
Wait, is that my phone? I don't think.
Not my phone.
Yeah, she probably is. She probably is checking up on me. You're right. This place, Frenzo, is a pretty good spot as well to eat. Here's the menu. Yeah, so I've eaten here before. It's pretty good. This place. Okay, yeah. We're gonna show how it is here. Yeah, I've eaten here before. People say it's pretty good. It's over here. It's cozy. It's nice and comfy and cozy. Oh yeah, okay.
Fish is good.
They got some
I might get
fish.
some of that.
How much is it?
70, right? And it's 70. Oh, 40.
Oh, that's cheap.
Yeah, real cheap.
40 pesos for the fish. That's not bad. It's not a bad price. You gotta get a fish now.
Yeah, can I get one right now? To go? 40, you said 40 pesos? 41?
The fish is 45
Okay.
and the meat is 70 pesos.
Okay. I'll take one fish.
One fish. Okay.
So how much of the chicken? How much was the chicken?
70 pesos.
70.
Yeah, this is 70 peso and this is 45. 45. So basically, for the meat is 70 peso per hour.
Right. And how much chicken do you get? Like
Get 3 pieces of chicken.
3 pieces of chicken. Okay.
This is more like a Filipino food and every day.
It's like a carinderia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because Monday to Thursday, ladies from hygiene coming here.
Oh yeah, yeah. We're just talking about that. Yeah, the hygiene thingy. That's what it's called. Yeah. Yeah. I had breakfast over here before, so that's 2 recommendations for this place. Actually. Yeah.
Thank you, Sir Robert.
Good see you.
Take care.
Thank you. Have a good day. So you're gonna eat the fish now?
Why not? I'm gonna eat the head, man. They say they like the head.
They like the
head, yeah.
You're gonna eat the head? Oh, you just ate the head. How does it taste?
Tastes like nothing.
Doesn't taste like anything?
I mean, flavor. It's got flavor, but it's not like. It's like really.
Really? Huh. Make sure I get a shot of that.
Oh, it'll get views. The main one and the main. It's gonna get a lot of.
Yeah. Just zoom in.
I would click on
Oh,
it.
you look at that one? Yeah.
I would.
Okay. I'll make that the I'll make that the thumbnail. I just have to zoom in a little bit because it might be too far. Yeah. It might have been a little bit too far for. So I'm walking down Fields Avenue right now, about to try this popular Thai restaurant. It's called Fragrant Thai, and just watch out for the big hole. Yeah, just watch out for that if you come here. Yeah, this one right over here. Yep, so I heard this place is pretty popular. This is my first time I'm gonna be eating here, and actually a regular guy likes it. It's one of his favorite Thai spots. Huh? What? It's right here. Yeah, so this is 2 recommendations I heard are the pad thai and the cashew chicken. So I'm gonna see how big the portions are. Huh? How big the portions are and for the price. So let's see. Let's check this place out. Hi, how are you? I just did. So this is what I heard is good. Stir-fried cashew nuts. It's $2.70 and it comes with like a bunch of vegetables, some chicken. So this is the pad thai. It's $2.70. So we're gonna try that one and see how big the portion is. Because the one in Margarita Station, the pad thai in Margarita Station was 240 pesos, and you get like a big portion. So I'm gonna compare the pad thai from this place to the Margarita Station, and then see which one is a better deal. Okay, so this is the pad thai from the Fragrant Thai restaurant on Fields Avenue. And this is actually a pretty big portion. I would say it's actually bigger than the Margarita Station 2.0 portion. This tastes fishy from the, and this is, what is it called?
Bagoong rice.
Bagugu rice?
Bagoong rice.
What?
Bagoong rice.
Bagoon?
Bagoong.
Okay, this is bagoong rice.
Yeah.
And it comes with like shrimp
chicken.
on top. This is a little bit of shrimp, parsley, with these little things right here.
Mango.
Oh, those are little strips of mango. This is carrot, onions, tomato, and chicken. What's this over here?
Eggs.
Oh, that's eggs on the side.
Yeah. And then this one is chicken.
So a little bit of everything in this dish right here. A little bit of everything. So yeah, I'm gonna try my pad thai. See how this is. What?
This one.
Yeah, this is a big portion. How much was that?
280. 280.
Oh, that's 280. Okay, so that's not bad. Yeah, so pretty big portions over here. This one was 280. This one was 270. So I'm kind of impressed by the portions so far. I'm not disappointed. The question is this pad thai better taste than the one in Margarita Station 2.0 that was 240?
You don't want to put this?
Oh yeah, I forgot. I almost forgot to add the cashews. Always have to do this. So this is what nuts? What, cashew nuts or something?
Yes.
I like to add.
No, it's peanuts.
Oh, it's peanut. So I like to actually add a lot.
Too much.
No, I like to add a lot actually. I like to add tons of peanuts. This is what I like about the Thai. Add tons of peanuts. I'm the peanut man. This we have a little crushed pepper. Let's see. We're gonna add a little bit, sprinkle. This on top. I don't know what this is. Oh, those are, wow, these jalapenos. There's like none in here. We need more of these peppers. I need to ask for more peppers. Also, what I didn't notice about this Thai, they have like little bits of egg in here. So I'm gonna mix this all up. So far, it's a pretty big. This portion is bigger than the one in Margarita Station. A little bit more expensive how much more expensive? So like 30 more pesos, but you do get more food. And I think it's a little bit nicer. It has some eggs mixed in, these little chives. Are these like chives, right? Something like that. So that's pretty good. Mix this all up, and there were. Yes, please. That's perfect. Thank you so much. So yeah, I just got a cup full of these jalapenos, these green jalapenos. These taste really good. What do I want?
That's so spicy. So spicy.
Yeah, no, it's not. These green peppers are not that spicy.
Try it. Of course.
It's not that spicy. No, I know what these taste like from the Margarita Station. Mm. Mm. Oh my gosh, so much better. So much better, guys. When you mix a bunch of the peanuts and the green jalapeno peppers, it makes it so much better. And it exceeded my expectations in that compared to Margarita Station 2.0, it's 30 more pesos, but you get a really big portion of pad thai. You get like a bunch of these green peppers. You get the green onions on top. You can put a bunch of peanuts. And overall, it's really filling. So I ate about probably less than half. And, huh?
Like 1/4. 1/4.
What does that mean?
1/4 of the plate.
Yeah, I ate like 1/3 of the plate, and I am, and she also ate like 1/3, and like I'm already stuffed, guys. I'm like already stuffed. Like I cannot eat anymore. Like this is a pretty big portion. I know it doesn't look like it, but you eat like a few bites, and then like it fills you up with the noodles and all that stuff. So overall, like. What on a scale from 1 to 10, what'd you give this place? A 7? Really? I would give this place like I would give this place, huh? 7? Well, this I don't know if this. I think the pad thai was better than this. So overall, this place exceeded my expectations.